Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to unbox yet another budget offering from iVoomi in India. This time around we have an 18:9 aspect ratio, the full view display from iVoomi. This is the iVoomi i1. So iVoomi i1 is again a budget smartphone, quite similar to what iVoomi has been releasing in India. Almost all devices are below the 7K price segment, so they are affordable. It comes with quite decent specifications. So this is the Infinite display series. Again, it's as an 18:9 aspect ratio. We can see the naming. i1 is the code name for this device, iVoomi i1, and Infinite display series. Looking at the back of the box, you get to see the specifications. It has a dual camera, bezel-less design. It's strictly not bezel-less design, it's a full view display, and 3000 mAh battery, and fingerprint sensor is included. Then you get 5.45 inch HD plus resolution display. That's an 18:9 screen ratio. Then rear dual camera, 13+2 megapixel camera with flash and autofocus, 8 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint scanner, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, quad core MT6737 processor, and we have 3000 mAh battery, Android Nougat out of the box, and 4G LTE, and we have VoLTE out of the box. So the box pricing mentions it as 7499. We expect it to be 6999 pricing, or even lesser than that. So that's the Infinite series from iVoomi. So let's open the box. So there you go. So we have the iVoomi i1 on the top. So opening up, you can again see the quick mention of the specification. So let's just peel this off, and you can see the 18:9 aspect ratio. You can see it's a glossy finish on the rear panel. It's a removable back panel. It is completely glossy finishing. We have iVoomi logo, the fingerprint sensor, the dual camera, probably the first iVoomi smartphone with a fingerprint sensor, and we have dual camera, 13 and 2 megapixel. Then we have an LED flash as well. There is the power and volume keys on the right side. On the top we have the 3.5mm audio jack, the micro USB charging slot. At the bottom panel we have the speaker unit, and the front panel we have this 8 megapixel front facing camera, a 5.45 inch display. And let's just open the rear panel as well. So we'll just show you the internals before going into the box. So you can see the battery here. This is probably a non-removable battery. We have dual SIM cards, and we have a dedicated SD card slot. That's quite good because this comes with just 16 GB internal storage. Expanding storage is quite a good option because you have dedicated SD card slot available. So now let's just boot this device. So let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, you get a screen guard here. It's a plain simple screen guard. Then you get the charging adapter, 5 volt 1 ampere. Then you also get the charging cable, the data syncing and charging cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the iVoomi i1 with a full view 5.45 inch display. You can see the display has curved edges, so the two sides of the display are slightly curved, and this does give a decent feel altogether. It's an HD plus resolution display, and it has this glossy finish, which is kind of a fingerprint magnet, but actually looks quite good for a budget smartphone. Now let's go to the settings of this device. So here we can see some additional options are provided here. So you can see that there is an option to customize the navigational buttons. Other than that, you also get some gesture settings. So under the gesture settings, there is 2-finger change wallpaper, gesture motion and smart motion are included. So these are some options available. Then there is a Dura speed, and other than that, it's a pretty simple and plain Android 7.0 UI, and you get some additional tools installed, apps installed, which are kind of not required actually. Some Temple Paradise game, and then UC browser. Some apps are included, so those things are not really needed, but they come installed. And you also get this option to tool pop-up, which you can access some of the settings, so that's also included. Now let's have a look at the camera of this device. So it's a 13 and 2 megapixel dual camera setup. So you can see the camera interface is quite good. You get video panorama and bokeh mode as well, and in the settings, so there are some useful options as well. So that's the option. And if you go to the video recording, let's see what is the maximum video recording supported here. So let's go to the video recording, and here let's see what is the maximum supported. So there is EIS included. Video quality is 1080p resolution, and there is also EIS included. So that's the camera, and let's see some samples. So these are some of the camera samples which you have taken with this device after unboxing the phone. So we'll be talking about in-depth camera in our detailed review of the same, so stay tuned for that. So this is a budget smartphone, and does come with some really good features like the full view 18:9 aspect ratio display, curved edges, then 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage, dual camera. It's a 13 and 2 megapixel dual camera, and there is also a 8 megapixel front facing camera, 3000 mAh battery, and overall it's a good package. And this will also be competing with some of the other smartphones in this price segment, including the recently announced in focus Vision 3, which also has this 18:9 aspect ratio. So we'll also be doing some comparison with other smartphones in this price segment. So that's it for this unboxing of the iVoomi i1. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.